Hey guys, it's Sunday. I am at Sandblast, my awesome church retreat this weekend, and we are in free time right now. My friend Paige is taking a shower and screaming at the coldness, but we just got back from competition where we had lots of fun, but unfortunately it's super hot and sunny, and so we were all sweaty, and then there were water games, so it was like sweat mixed with water, and it's just like, ugh. We felt disgusting, so we're all taking cold showers, and she's still screaming. But I've been having a blast so far. Not surprisingly, it's called Sandblast. Definitely my favorite thing is worship all the way. We just have such a great band, and it's amazing, and we sing great songs, and I love it. And music is sort of my thing, so that's how I connect with God. What else? We've been doing pretty good in competition. We've been getting a lot of the spirit points. We're not that great at the actual athletic stuff, but spirit points we've got because we've got, well, we're all like together in unity, and we cheer a lot and loudly a lot. And also somebody brought a boombox and they put in some dubstep music, and we just have a giant dance party the like entire time, and we're good at like cheering on the other team. Like if they win, we're like, you know, good job Conant, or if we win, you know, like good job Schaumburg. We seem to like that a lot. One of the funnest things to watch was by far the laser tag. Like it wasn't actually in the dark, they just had some inflatable things, but it was so funny because it was only like 3-on-3, and they'd have their guns. So I'll probably post videos in that on my other channel. Actually, I'll probably have videos of, let's say, laser tag here, and just other competitions all over. That's a lie, I probably won't ever annotate this, but check out my main channel. I will probably put those there, and eventually I'll have like a highlight video of the weekend, and it's going to be great. And if you don't follow my main channel, you should also follow, because I'm going to be starting a sort of mini, unofficial, not really web series of sorts with my friends on the island, and I'm hoping to possibly get a video up every Thursday. Not sure if that's going to happen, but that's the goal, and goals are good, and if you watch it, and like more people watching, that will motivate us to keep going and keep getting them on time. So you should do that. You guys should also let me know in the comments what your favorite game that you've ever played or seen being played at a camp was. I think either laser tag, or we have Trash Masters is the funnest thing to watch. It's like so cool. You all have sort of like the dog toy ropes that are only about this long, and you hold on to them and you just spin around the trash can, and you try to whip each other, so you lose if you touch the trash can or if you let go. It's really vicious, but it just is super cool. Videos of that will also be on my main channel. Can you see where this is going? So that's it from me. I hope you guys are having a great week as well. Let me know your favorite camp games down in the bottom bar. Bye.